Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix the problem when Skate is unable to connect to EA servers. The first method is to restart EA services on your computer. To do this, right-click on your taskbar and open the Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, click on the Services tab. Here you will see a long list of services that are running in the background. Scroll down and look for any services related to EA. The most common ones are EA Background Service and EA App Service. When you find them, right-click on each one and select Restart. This will stop the service and start it again, which often refreshes the connection and helps the game connect to the servers. Another useful step is to clear the cache of the EA app. Open the EA app on your computer, then go to the menu and look for Help. Under Help, select the option to App Recovery or Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing problems with the connection. Once the cache is cleared, restart your computer and try running Skate again. Thanks for watching.